bungan. Anak ko sa piyon, ang bigaton ng bungan. Dari matuan si manok, dari matuan si rapun. Tapos kumpot, rapun sa kumpon ni Bigon. Tapos makanado. Garon sa tako. Kamuruan ng tulong ang tinawon. Ang nagkento ko maamamong sa bayangan. Yun!
Mga ipad ito. Jangan right ada bibit
Anak kaya, minuman peman, dili tungkok piyon, ang bigatong mit, lumataktak, bayangan, tawa ang makanayon, yumakit ang sinabon, ang nagkatupan ang mamuan ang unay tedyok, ibate waka, hituman na, kutupulan na hituman, itong tatakyo.
Alam itu. Ito kaya ipad din performed di Barangay Hukag. Ipad is a traditional ritual performed by the childless mangipad couple to ask for holag or children from the goddesses. They will perform the ritual with the presence of at least 3 shaman or mumbaki. These things like hapid and betel nut, pahul, buhi with rice wine, uhib, pig, guns, tigao, holong with one hand with at least 1 click is needed during the ritual. The night before the couples do the mangipad, a shaman mumbaki do a fattong to chant a prayer to goddesses asking them to bless the childless couple with a child. The shaman will do the bartung until dawn. During the ritual, the 3 shamans or the mumbaki do a chant asking for the spirits of goddesses to be possessed with them. Thank you, Barangay Hukag, for the ipad cultural performance. Let's give them a round of applause.